with another video, and as I promised you guys, I'm going to complete this program. So I made a project called Meow Moves. So you guys remember, right? Meow Moves was my project. And what was I doing in this project? Let's see. Let's revise a little bit. See, my meow is moving left to right. And as I told you guys that I'm going to make it as a fun chase and I'm going to add a mouse here. So let's get started with this video. And before we start this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this video and other videos also. Do watch other videos on the channel. I'm going to give the link in the description section. Now let's move ahead. So guys, meow was already added, and as we can see in these list of commands, I have all the instructions that my meow is going to move 20 steps forever and it is going to be in a rotation style left to right. And also, just to make sure that my meow is not moving outside the boundaries of the screen, so I have added one more command that if it reaches to the edge of the screen, that means the end, it needs to bounce back. Next is about the next costume. Why have I added next costume here? Because my meow has two costumes. That means two looks. So why am I doing like this next costume? Because then it gives like a look that my meow is moving and its legs are also moving. So let's do one thing. Let's add the mouse. Like I said, let's see whether we have a mouse here. Yes, perfect. So we have a mouse. And the good thing with the mouse is that it already has costumes so that it looks like it is moving. So what am I going to do is, now I'm going to start with the code of the mouse. Let's see how we can make our mouse move. Before moving this mouse, let's reduce the size a little bit because the mouse should be a bit smaller than the meow, which is the cat. So let's make it 60. 60 is again too small. Let's make it 75. Perfect. So now I have the mouse. I have my cat. I think let's make it a bit beautiful. Let's add the backdrop. And I will add a simple backdrop, which is the blue sky. And now my meow is here and the mouse is here. Let's see. So the meow is moving. It seems that it is running on this brown color land. Let's stop this. And let's make that it is running after the mouse. So let's get started with the coding here. So the meow is here and let's put our mouse here in front of the meow. And let's start with the coding. So what do you guys think? How the coding will start? We will always start the coding here because it is an automatic game. It's not like we are playing in it. It's more like an animation. So we will start by clicking on the green flag. And then we want that immediately our mouse should start running. So let's check this out, how we can do this. So we start with events. Like guys, I told you, whenever we click on anything, that type of an action is called as an event. So when the green flag is clicked, what should happen? The mouse should move some steps. Let's see what happens. I click on the green flag. My meow is moving, but my rat or the mouse, it's not moving. So what am I supposed to do? I will give these type of steps like I did with the meow, which is the cat, this type, because it has to be forever. If something has to happen forever, that means until the red button has been pressed. So I will go to control. I will take a forever block and I will put it here and move 10 steps will be inside. But the mouse has gone outside the screen. So let's make it come back again with the help of which command? Very good. If on edge, bounce. So whenever the mouse reaches the edge of the screen, it has to come back. But it is looking more like the cat is running separately and it's not after the mouse. We should make it run like it's after the mouse. So what we are supposed to do? We will collect our meow to here and we will put a mouse in front of it. And now we will increase the number of steps our mouse is moving. So let's make it 30. Now let's check. But see, the cat is just flying. No, it's not supposed to be that way. It has to run after the mouse. So how we are supposed to make this happen? Now both are flying. So what we can do, we can take this back And let's add some more commands. Let's also make the mouse look like as if it's running. So let's add the same thing. The next costume. Very good. You guys are getting intelligent, I must say. And what is missing here? The rotation style left to right. Same for the mouse also. So we come to here, set rotation style left to right. So now let's see. So now even if they are flying, it seems that the cat is chasing the mouse and the mouse is running quickly. That has to be the main thing. So the number of steps per mouse, they are supposed to be a bit higher than the meow, which is the cat. So now let's take them back and here. Now one more thing what we are supposed to do, it should look like that it's a game. So now what more we can do here is, try to remember, if we want to add sound, where do we go? We come to the sounds. This is a meow sound. I don't want that. I want something that it should look like more of a Tom and Jerry type of thing, that a fun chase. So let's search for something funny. No, let's search for something more funny. So I have big boy. No, squeaky toy, whiz, wobble. Then there are so many funny sounds here. Yes, I can use this. Now I'm going to play the sound. And I'm going to play the sound. Whenever the green flag is clicked, I will add the sound here. To one of the sprites, I can add the sound. So I will start here, this. But it stops. What is missing now? The forever. Very good. So this. See? Now it looks like a fun chase. Now where I can see it in a bigger screen. So let's click on this. And now see. And what all we can do? We can fix the position of the cat first to here. And we can add go to. Now let's see. And now we will fix the position of the mouse first. Same way, that go to this position. So my cat is here. It will be to the x56 and y minus 119. Same way, I will fix the position of the mouse whenever I click on the green flag. So it will always start from this position. Now let's see this. Isn't it funny? Perfect. So now it looks like a fun cat and mouse chase game. So guys, do try this animation on your Scratch accounts also, and do let me know in the comment section below, or you can even drop me a query on my email and let me know what all you want to learn in this series of Scratch with another series of mobile application development on a different platform. We will continue the Scratch series as well as the mobile application series. Till then, take care. Bye-bye, guys.